Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll do a crash test comparison between the 2017 second generation Volvo XC60 and his first generation launched back in 2008. The Volvo XC60 has been always a popular choice for families, offering a blend of luxury, performance and most importantly safety. But how have these safety features improved from the 2009 model to the 2017 model? But before starting, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For you is free, for us is very important. And now let's start with the 2009 Volvo XC60. In its time, it was lauded for its safety, featuring advanced airbags, stability control and Volvo's renewed city safety system, which helps prevent low-speed collisions. In the frontal crash test, the 2009 XC60 performed well, with the cabin structure maintaining integrity. However, some injuries to the lower leg and feet were noted. Fast forward to 2017 and the new XC60 brings a host of advanced safety technologies. The improved city safety system now includes steering support and the car is equipped with run-off-road protection and mitigation. The 2017 model excels in frontal crash tests, significantly reducing the risk of injury to the lower body. The cabin remains intact and the improved airbag system provides better overall protection. Also, the side impact protection is crucial. Both models feature Volvo's side impact protection system, but the 2017 XC60 has additional reinforcements and improved curtain airbags. At the same time, the 2017 model offers better protection for head and thorax areas, highlighting Volvo's continuous improvement in side impact safety. And now, as a brief conclusion, we can say that if the 2008 Volvo XC60 was a pioneer in safety for its time, the 2017 models show significant advancements. The enhanced structural integrity, advanced airbag system and new technologies makes the 2017 XC60 a superior choice for safety. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our brief video till the end, and if you like it, hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.